Question number 41 to 50 in people development and environment related question. Question number 41 says, when was the Paris Agreement adopted? It was adopted in 12 December 2025. So we should be knowing about the Paris Agreement. It was adopted on 12 December 2025. 2015. Okay. Next, how many Millennium Development Goals were adopted in United Nations? 8 Millennial Development Goals adopted in the United Nations in the year 2000. Okay, when it comes to SDGs, there is 17. Question number 43. Arrange the phrases of life cycle analysis for information and environmental effects of products from first to last. So here, inventory, initiation, impact, improvement. So first is inventory analysis. Inventory. So A. After that, sorry, not inventory. It is initiation first. Initiation first. First is initiation. Next is inventory. Initiation is B, inventory is A. Impact. Next, improvement. Or they can also say interpretation. So this one, impact is C, improvement is D. BACD. BACD is fourth option here. Next, question number 44. For disaster management, following process must be adopted. Disaster management, first is detection or early warning. E. Next, mitigation. Mitigation is trying to reduce that impact. Next, response. Response is D. Response. After that, training, preparedness. So here E, first detection, E, A, C, D and E only. So we have to do training, mitigation, detection, A, C, E and also response. So answer is A, C, D and E. Okay. Next, question number 45. Match the following. Eurasia, South and Southeast Asia, North America, South America. So here Eurasia is Europe plus North Asia. Europe plus North Asia. That is Palearctic realms. So here for that 2. For A it is 2, that means third cannot be the answer. Next, South and Southeast Asia, that is Oriental realm, 4. So answer here is A, not this 2. North America, third one, for that Nearctic norm. South America, Neotropical realm. So this much about the people development and environment related questions. Thank you.